Nothing, you have to compare fraction like 3 by 5 and 7 by 9. The whole idea is to understand which one fraction is greater just by cross multiplying. So you will take this one, the top one, multiply with this, that is 27, and the top one for this, and you will multiply with this, which is 35. So which one is greater? Obviously 35. So this fraction is greater. I know this question won't be asked any in a simple format like where they will ask you to compare the fraction, but this can be useful when you solve certain DI cases in CAT, or even certain low level cases when you come down to the level of SSC CGL, or maybe you can go to SBI PO, prelims exam is nearby. So they will ask you certain simple question in DI, so you can compare fractions without even finding the exact values. Thank you. If you have to compare the number which is like difficult to multiply, or maybe which is, this might be easier, you must be knowing 17 square and then you can do this also, but there is certain different technique which is faster than this. The difference between these two is 4, 13 minus 17 minus 13, and the difference between these two is 2. So what if we multiply this 17 into 2 and then 19 into 2, the fraction remains the same. We'll keep 17 as it is, which we get 34 by 38 and 13 by 17. Now the difference between these two is similar, which is 4. Then we can see that the numerator which is greater for 34 compared to these two, 13 and then 34, the numerator is greater, which is 34 by 38. So this is the bigger number. That is the whole logic. I hope it's fine. Thank you. Now where you will use these kind of techniques is like when you are asked in DI to compare certain growth rate. For example, like 2 becomes 4, somewhere I'm just taking an example, 3 becomes 9. So you just do what is the difference, that is 2 by 2, that is the base. I'm pretty writing just a example which is pretty simple. You could have done that is 100% increase. I know this is just to keep you an example. What if this number is little concrete, including prime numbers and that are bigger numbers? So you can just compare these two using the same technique. Maybe a difficult number, I'm just putting an easier number right here. So this is the whole logic. Don't use in everything, use your mind, use your common instinct where you need it, and then go ahead and solve these problems. It is better than dividing it when there is a comparison case. Thank you.